So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 methods that you can use to connect your Firestick remote to your Firestick. Now, what we want to do first of all is the first method is to just simply click on the home button right here, right? So click on the home button and then see if that does go ahead and work. If that doesn't work, what we can do is we can hold down the home button for 15 seconds. As you can see, if your remote is working, you will see a flashing light at the top of your remote. Hold this down for 15 seconds, and then once you have tried that, what we can do then is then go ahead and try and see if this works. If this doesn't work, we have got a further method. So what we want to do is we want to click on the back button, we want to click on the 3 lines right there, and then we also want to click on left on our stick. So we want to hold them down all at the same time and then count for 30 seconds. Now once you've done this, just go ahead and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, count up to 30 seconds. Once you have done that, what you can do then is see if then that goes ahead and works. Now they are the 3 methods that you can use to see if your Firestick will now connect to your Firestick remote, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.